1. Subway Surfers is one of the most downloaded mobile games of all time. In 2020, Swibio Games announced that the game exceeded 3 billion downloads. 2. The Rubik's Cube has over 43 quintillion, 43 followed by 18 zeros, possible combinations, which makes it an extremely complex puzzle. 3. Sweden has long been a center of innovation and design, home to several global companies and brands, including IKEA, Volvo, and Spotify. 4. HP was a pioneer in the development of PCs and printers. This company played a crucial role in developing desktop computers and other electronics. 5. Dell was founded in 1984 by Michael Dell. Back then a student at the University of Texas in Austin, he began to assemble and sell computers from his dorm room. 6. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered by now, planets that orbit stars other than our Sun. Some of these exoplanets are in the habitable area of their stars. 7. The Wi-Fi term holds no meaning, it was created to be a name easy to remember. 8. Ada Lovelace wrote the first computer program in the world in the 19th century. 9. The first graphical web browser was Mosaic and it was released in 1993. 10. The first web search engine was called Archie and was launched in 1990. 11. The Great Wall of China has a length of 21,196 kilometers, 13,171 miles. 12. It's not clear which was the first operating system, but one of the earliest and most influential was GMNAAIO, released in 1956. 13. The video game industry is larger than the movie and music industries combined. 14. Email, instant messaging and social media platforms have replaced traditional letter writing, telephone calls and face-to-face conversations. 15. YouTube users watch over 1 billion hours of videos daily. 16. The Eiffel Tower was supposed to be disassembled after 20 years. 17. The total development and marketing cost of GTA 5 surpassed $265 million. 18. Although the name Sudoku comes from Japanese, this puzzle game was invented in the US by Howard Garnes, a retired architect, in 1979. 19. The ZTE company was founded in 1985 under the name Zhongxing Semiconductor Company, Ltd., by a group of investors associated with China's Ministry of Aerospace Industry. 20. The first Wi-Fi version was very slow. That version was released in 1997 and provided speeds of up to 2 megabits per second.